State lawmakers passing a package of 10 gun bills before wrapping up the legislative session last night. The package includes bills to change the definition of a firearm in New York State, raising the age to 21 to buy semi-automatic guns, and requiring social media companies to develop a clear and conscious policy on how to respond to hateful conduct on their platforms. State Senator Samra Brook, a Democrat, says the package will give police the tools needed to prevent easy access to guns.
It really is hitting on a lot of the different, essentially, holes in our gun laws.
However, Senate Republicans in New York disagree. Senate Minority Leader Rob Ortt releasing a statement saying, quote, Albany Democrats are choosing to go after the rights of law-abiding citizens rather than criminals who commit horrific acts of violence. He and others in the Republican Party instead proposed a Safer New York plan designed to make schools safer, increase mental health resources, and penalize violent criminals.